Hey guys, back at it again. Just finished building the vibe. We are at Copa. It's looking fun. I don't have much daylight, so I'm gonna cut to this quickly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. Big up yourself, follow through as always. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but look at that sunset. Like, it's one of the best things. Every time I'm out there I marvel at it, and I'm about to, like, I'm hoping I catch a good wave before it like actually sets. But yeah, that alone is a treat, you know. Yeah. I just realized I didn't wrap up this episode, but yeah, as you can see, I didn't get much waves on that evening. You can't get good waves every time. Like, there are good waves coming through, but you're gonna have some sessions where you don't catch as much waves as you'd like, and this was one of those days. Anyhow, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. And thank you for watching, tuning in. I hope you like this last 4 days of surf daily vlogging, you know, like.